Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix a dead iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. One day, while you're using an iPhone 15 as normal, it randomly dies and turns off. It doesn't react to any actions, be it button presses, charging, and so on. The screen won't respond and remains black. As your iPhone 15 is dead and won't turn on at all, you might be thinking about throwing it against the wall. We get it, but wait. There are actually several tricks that work to fix dead iPhone 15 problems. Often, this issue could arise when the battery is draining or the system is corrupted. Some users also say iPhone 15 died during an iOS update because of the failure. Taking these factors into account, we found some solutions you can try out yourself. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Verify if the screen works. When your iPhone 15 becomes dead, maybe it's still on but the screen is black or acting weird. Before you panic, plug your device to a laptop or desktop and take a look. If your phone shows up on the computer or it emits a sound, then the display might be damaged and needs to be repaired. If there is zero reaction from both the machine and iPhone 15, the screen might still work and move on to tackle the software issues first. Step 2. Charge it. If there are no signs of bugs shown before iPhone 15 is going dead, it's most likely just a case of a low or depleted battery. To test, charge your iPhone 15 on a genuine Apple cable and charger for at least 2 hours. By the way, to avoid lint buildup on the port stopping the charge, clean the device's bottom charging port first. Now, see if this could breathe the iPhone 15 dead screen back to life. Step 3. Force a restart. When charging does nothing, force a reboot on your iPhone 15 that's dead all of a sudden. It might sound basic, but sometimes it could work like magic to resolve any temporary glitches that prevent your device from booting up properly. To do that, press specific buttons in this order while keeping your device charged. Volume up key, volume down key, power key, and then keep holding the power key. When an Apple logo pops up on the screen, release the power key. Check if you managed to revive a dead iPhone 15 after the reboot. Step 4. Go into recovery mode. An iPhone 15 dies during the software update and won't turn on, typically signaling a firmware installation failure. This issue disrupts normal operations, resulting in an unresponsive screen and a dead device. In such cases, most users might fail to access the iPhone 15 inside to do an iOS upgrade again. That's where recovery mode comes in, allowing users to use a program to reinstall the operating system on a dead phone. If you're not familiar with it, here's a step-by-step tutorial. On your computer, install and open the latest version of iTunes or Apple Devices app. If you use a Mac running Mac OS Catalina or newer, run Finder as iTunes no longer exists. Plug your iPhone 15 to the machine with a cord in good condition. Then, press specific buttons in this order. Volume up key, volume down key, power key, and then keep holding the power key. When a restore screen appears like this, let go of the power key and iPhone 15 is in recovery mode. Check the application window, where a dialog box should appear. Choose Update first to reinstall the latest system firmware into your iPhone 15 that goes dead. This process may take some time, so be patient. If the device exits recovery mode during the update, just re-enter recovery mode and continue. If your iPhone 15 responds and boots up after the update, then it's good. If not, your last resort is to repeat the steps and perform a system restore. Keep in mind that a restore will erase the device data, so only proceed with this option if you have accessible backups of them. Step 5. Call support to diagnose the dead iPhone 15. Navigate to the Apple support page to initiate a chat session or request a phone call with a representative. Then, clearly explain your dead iPhone 15 issues to them and inquire if they can suggest further troubleshooting methods. If they're unable to resolve the problem remotely, go to the nearest service center for an expert diagnosis. Before you go ahead, use the link in the description below to get a service cost estimate. That's all for what to do when an iPhone 15 is completely dead. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.